stop throwing your money out the window right now. If you are planning to apply this bottle of the Ordinary Multi-Peptide Plus Copper Peptides 1% with your current skincare routine, you might be actively destroying your skin barrier. After 30 days of personally testing and analyzing the chemical reactions of its active ingredients, I am revealing the harsh truth about this so-called botox in a bottle that many cosmetic brands want to tell you. In this video, we are going to decode everything step by step. First, we will uncover why the vibrant blue color of this serum could be the ultimate savior for aging skin. Then, I will expose the critical mistakes people make when combining it with other active ingredients. Finally, I will share the exact layering routine to help you achieve that flawless glass skin look safely. Look closely at how this changes the game for your daily regimen. Instead of wasting time on a complicated moisturizing routine, just drops of this liquid can visibly support your skin's elasticity. It sinks in beautifully, leaving your skin feeling plump and deeply hydrated almost instantly. And the best part is that the stinging or burning sensation is absolutely zero. Let's be honest. Most of us start noticing deeper smile lines and slightly sagging skin once we hit our mid-20s. To fight this, people often jump straight to using high-concentration retinol. While retinol is great for forcing cellular turnover, it frequently brings along heavy flaking, redness, and severe irritation. If you have a thin or sensitive skin barrier, putting your face through that process can feel like pure torture. That is exactly where the Ordinary Multi-Peptide Plus Copper Peptides 1% truly shines as a gentle alternative. By combining powerhouse peptides like Matrixyl 3000 and Argireline, it works like a targeted signal telling your cells to naturally boost collagen production. It also packs amino acids and hyaluronic acid to flood your skin with hydration while working on overall skin rejuvenation. You get the smoothing effect on those fine lines without any of the aggressive peeling. But wait, there is a crucial exception you must know before using this. You absolutely cannot mix copper peptides with pure vitamin C, also known as LAA, in the same routine. You also need to avoid using it alongside strong exfoliating acids like BHA or AHA, because these ingredients have vastly different pH levels. Mixing them will completely neutralize the peptides and could cause severe irritation. By the way, I have received so many messages asking where to buy this exact blue bottle to avoid getting counterfeit products online. To make sure you get the authentic serum at the best price, I have placed the official Amazon link right at the top of the description box below. You can easily click that link to check out the details and secure yours safely. So, let us quickly summarize everything you need to remember today. If you are looking for top-tier barrier repair that smooths out fine lines without causing irritation, this serum is a fantastic choice for the best results. Apply it on clean skin during your evening routine. Just remember to keep it far away from your direct acids and pure vitamin C. Investing in high-quality copper peptides is honestly one of the smartest decisions you can make for your skin's long-term health. Again, the official Amazon link is right down below for you. And if you are now wondering whether you should pair this routine with niacinamide or hyaluronic acid, click on the video showing on your screen right now. I will break that down for you in just 5 minutes. See you over there.